India just hit a number that most countries actually spend decades chasing. 1.43 lakh patent filings in a single year, up 30%. Now, that I believe is something significant. No one obviously saw this coming. And before we break this down, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Now, let's break this down. Back in 2015, India was filing under 50,000 patents a year. Today, that number has jumped to 1,43,729. That's nearly 3 times growth in a decade. But here's the real change. 69% of these patents are now domestic. And here's where it gets really serious. India is now the 6th largest patent filer in the world. Not catching up, already in the game. Tamil Nadu is leading. Karnataka, Maharashtra are close behind. Startups, MSMEs, academia, everyone is filing. Because while filings are exploding, there's a deeper question. Are we building impact or just filing numbers? On front page, when we spoke to IIT Madras director Dr. V. Kamakoti, he said something that actually cuts through all of the clutter. India contributes just 1.4% to global AI research papers. But we, of course, generate the most data in the world. And his point was, we don't win by publishing more papers. We win by building real-world solutions at scale. Absolutely, sir, we agree. And that's the shift happening right now. From paper to product, research to deployment, idea to patent to startup. So at IIT Madras alone, 500 plus startups incubated, 53,000 crore rupees combined valuation. Deep tech across AI, chips, mobility, quantum, because patents are not just legal documents. They are signals. Signals that basically talk about innovation is happening locally, talent is staying back, capital is finding conviction, and India is moving from services to products. And here, of course, is the front page take. India's patent surge is not really the story. The story is what comes next. Do these patents become, let's say, global products, deep tech companies, or just numbers on a dashboard? Because the future, I feel, is about building what the world cannot ignore. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.